Ever accidentally deleted an important file and thought it was gone forever? Don't panic! Today, we're checking out Disk Drill, one of the most powerful file recovery tools for Windows and Mac OS. What is Disk Drill? Disk Drill is a data recovery software designed to bring back deleted files from hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, memory cards, and more. It's developed by Clever Files and supports both Windows and Mac OS. How to get Disk Drill? Getting started is super easy. Just Google Disk Drill or head straight to cleverfiles.com. Hit the download button and it'll automatically detect your OS and download the right version. Installation? Piece of cake. Once the download is done, install it with just a few clicks and launch the software. Boom! You're ready to recover your lost files. How does it work? On the main screen, select the drive where your lost files were stored and click Search for Lost Data. Disk Drill will then scan the drive for recoverable files. Disk Drill offers two scanning modes. Quick Scan, perfect for recently deleted files. Deep Scan digs deep into the storage to reconstruct lost data, even from formatted or corrupted drives. Recovering your files. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a reconstructed section. This is where Disk Drill lists the files it can recover. Just select what you need, hit Recover, and that's it. Your lost files are back. A quick heads up, the free version lets you recover up to 500 megabytes of data. So if you need more, you'll have to upgrade. If this tool saved your day, don't forget to smash that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.